Hello and welcome to Patrick's Models and Transport. So in the previous video you've seen how I made the gutter. This is the downpipe of the gutter downpipe, the main one, which is on this side, and now we have to glue it on so that then we'll be able to make the other side, which will meet up with this one. So let's get it glued on with our usual glue and glaze, gluing metal onto plastic. We'll use these tweezers here. These ones will do the job. Okay. Okay, I've applied some glue and glaze on here like that, very simple. Now I'm just going to take this thing and put it on. Pretty easy job. We have to glue it onto the actual gutter as well. Okay, now it's okay. piece of tape on there to hold it down, and that's us. Just going to smooth out some blobs here, we don't want blobs. Let's get one of these. Okay, so that's ready. So just leave it like this. Then the other one is to come down here, under there with a curve, the bend, and right above this crossbar here, this piece of framing, it joins directly into there like that. So I'll just glue it on, and that's it. And then maybe I'll touch up with a spot of silver paint, and that's it. So that's the signal box nearly finished. Then we have to glue on the base, the ladder, the toilet, and we're finished. And we can play trains. Okay, very well. Another video with the making of the other side. Cheerio, and see you next time. Tomorrow sometime I'll film it.